How much should you actually spend on a gaming laptop? You see cheap options that look tempting, but do they hold up? Today, we're diving into 5 solid choices under $500 that might just surprise you. Product number 1: Fortnite 16-inch laptop. The Fortnite laptop computer caught my eye with its impressive specs for just $448.99. With a 12th Gen Intel processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. If you want performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 16-inch FHD display offers a resolution of 1920 x 1200, giving you vibrant visuals whether you're gaming or watching movies. Plus, with 16 GB RAM, multitasking is a breeze, letting you run multiple applications without a hitch. The 1 TB SSD ensures you have plenty of storage space for all your games and files. With a 3.9-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the performance. Now, some users have mentioned that the battery life could be better, with only about 6 hours on a single charge. But here's the thing. If you're primarily using it at home or near a plug, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Heavy gamers might want more longevity, but for casual use, it's just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a solid all-rounder that can handle both work and play. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-portable for long trips, but at this price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the Fortnite's weight and battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Fortnite 14-inch laptop. Next up is another Fortnite model, this time the 14-inch version priced at just $319.99. Its compact design and solid performance make it a great choice for students or anyone needing a portable option. If you want something lightweight without sacrificing too much power, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. Powered by the Intel N5095 processor, it reaches speeds of 2.9 GHz, which is sufficient for both gaming and day-to-day tasks. The 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD mean you can handle multitasking without lag and have enough space for your games and files. Its FHD display at 1920 x 1080 resolution ensures you'll enjoy clear visuals, whether you're gaming or streaming shows. With a 4.3-star rating from 114 reviews, many users appreciate the balance of performance and price. However, some users pointed out that the integrated speakers aren't great for immersive sound. But honestly, if you're using headphones or an external speaker for gaming or movies, this issue won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone who travels frequently needing a lightweight laptop. Skip this one if you need a larger screen for detailed gaming or video editing. Overall, it's a solid pick for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize performance. Product number 3: MALLRACE gaming laptop. Coming in at $431.99, the MALLRACE gaming laptop really impressed me, especially with its Ryzen R2544 processor. If you're looking for raw power in gaming, this one deserves your attention. The 16 GB of DDR4 RAM paired with a 512 GB SSD ensures you can run games and apps efficiently. The 16-inch IPS display also enhances your gaming experience, giving you vibrant colors and sharp details. With a 4.6-star rating from 49 reviews, it's becoming popular for good reasons. Now, some users have reported that the battery life is only about 5 hours, which might not cut it for long gaming sessions. But here's the thing, most gaming laptops struggle with battery longevity due to high power consumption. If you're gaming at home, plug it in and you won't have a problem. This is perfect for you if you want serious gaming performance on a budget. Skip this if you require a laptop for extensive travel since the battery life is on the shorter side. However, for the price, it's a powerhouse. Now, if battery life is a significant concern for you, this next laptop might be the one you're looking for. Product number 4: NIAKUN i7 gaming laptop. At $499.99, the NIAKUN gaming laptop offers an Intel Core i7 processor that caught my attention. If you want a laptop that meets both gaming and productivity needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The i7 processor can hit speeds of up to 3.9 GHz, making it perfect for multitasking. The 15.6-inch FHD display at 1920x1080 provides excellent visuals for gaming and streaming. With a 4-star rating from 67 reviews, users are generally satisfied with its performance. However, some customers mention that the laptop can get a bit warm during intensive gaming. But honestly, this is common for gaming laptops, and as long as you use it in a well-ventilated area, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable machine for both gaming and work. Skip this if you're looking for a super lightweight option, but it provides great value considering its capabilities. Finally, if you're looking for something that's got future-proof features, check out this last option. Product number 5, NIMO Lite Gaming Laptop. Last but not least, we have the NIMO Lite Gaming Laptop for $479.94. This model stands out with its Ryzen 5 6600H processor. If expandability is important to you, this laptop offers a great solution. Here's why this matters. The Ryzen 5 can boost up to 4.5 GHz, making it excellent for gaming and multitasking. What I really like is the option to upgrade both RAM and storage easily, which means this laptop can grow with you. The 15.6-inch FHD display is vibrant and perfect for gaming or streaming. With a 4.4-star rating, it's clear users are happy with its performance and features. However, some users mention that the SSD is smaller than competitors. But here's the thing, most people can expand storage if needed, and the performance you get from the RAM and CPU more than makes up for it, especially for gaming. This is perfect for you if you want a laptop that can be upgraded in the future. Skip this if you need a lot of storage right out of the box, but it's a great investment for gamers and professionals alike. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 gaming laptops under $500. The FUNYET 16-inch offers solid performance and storage, while the 14-inch version provides portability. The MALLRACE excels in power, and the NIAKUN gives you fantastic multitasking capabilities. Finally, the NIMO shines with its expandability options. Each has its strengths, so consider what matters most for your needs before making a choice.